Hello viewers. Today we will talk about some specific guidelines regarding precis writing along with suitable examples. 1. When a list of things is given in the original passage, a general word should be used to express the idea. Stop the video and read the following original passage on your own. When we compress this passage, we will convey the idea: different animals and birds were making various noises over the farmyard. The number of words exceeds 1/3 of the original passage. This is because the original passage is too small to be compressed into 1/3. Take it as a technique. 2. Try to learn one word substitution, that is, a single word conveying the same meaning as the group of words conveying. See the original passage. This can be written as, they arrived simultaneously. Simultaneously is a one-word substitute for, at the same time. 3. Avoid using figurative language, rather convert it into a more simple one. For example, in the given passage the highlighted words are used in a figurative sense. This simply can be written as, and then he came. He was a powerful enlightening influence. He changed people's thinking and made them progressive. The word enlightening conveys the idea of a beam of light that pierced the darkness and removed the scales from our eyes. 4. Sometimes a writer may have written several sentences with something common in all of them. They can be compressed into one sentence, as the following passage can be compressed as: truthfulness, honesty, purity of character, initiative, and a spirit of enterprise are essential qualities of greatness. 5. Unnecessary details must be eliminated from the original passage. In the given passage, the second and the third sentence can be ignored completely. The remaining sentences can be summarized as: a national language, spoken and written, can greatly benefit the theatre in Pakistan. The acceptance of a common language by the country will, therefore, be a great day for the theatre. 6. As a rule, a precis should be written in indirect speech. Great care must be taken to avoid lapsing into direct speech, a very common fault. The direct manner of narration should be changed into an indirect manner of speech of the original passage in the direct narration. The following examples are put here only to give you a general idea. 7. Precis should be in third-person narrative. The following passage is written in the first-person narrative. This can be summarized as: the writer said that they had despised literature, science, and art. This was all for today's lecture. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. But wait, before leaving, subscribe to English Language and Literature and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates.